Welcome to ScentifAI YouTube channel. This is the world premiere of our recent development on Aroma Imaging Sensor technology, or smell visualization technology. For the past decade, we have been developing the odor imaging sensor to achieve one goal: converting the world of smell as visual image. This is our recently developed silicon CMOS ENOS sensor, or aroma imaging sensor. Just like camera on your smartphone, the sensor is packed with unrivaled 57,000 pixels, or 256 by 256 pixels, within just 1.2 mm by 1.2 mm sensor array area, while achieving sub-ppm level high gas sensitivity. On top of the sensor pixel array is ScentifAI's 32 proprietary receptor membrane materials that mimics living olfaction, where each membrane material is designed to have different chemical affinities, or absorption and desorption property, or more simply put, intermolecular stickiness. These receptor membranes interacts with odor or ambient gas molecules as a whole at the surface of the receptor membranes, generating real-time, quote-unquote, odor fingerprint, represented as visual pattern image, functioning as machine nose, turning analog chemical perception input as digital visual output information for your systems. The beautiful pattern images you are seeing is the real-time time-lapse of different chemical gases, such as benzene, ethyl propionate, ethanol, acetone, ammonia, is exposed at the sensor surface. You can now literally, quote-unquote, see the world of smell. We believe this is the highest resolution digital odor imaging or visual representation of smell the world has seen to date. Imagine applying the sensor to vision language action models, adding new unique chemical dimension to world model and machine learning applications. With our sensor, one can imagine a case where two humanoid robots, one with the sensor and the another without the sensor. We believe compounded learning will result in different reactions, as the robot with the sensor will have chemical perception input in their learning model, and the other will not. Some advantages of using the sensor is to use as edge sensors, acting as chemical perception and reflex of the system, saving ever-scarce computation resources, as well as data quality and diversity improvement through augmentation of unique chemical perception sensory dimension to conventional models and systems. Some of the compelling specifications of our newest silicon CMOS aroma imaging sensor includes ultra-compact form factor, low cost, ultra-high resolution, high gas sensitivity, while designed to easily system embed the sensors through digital SPI interface and physical package to board connection, all pre-designed for scalability and expandability under a single standardized sensor architecture for compound model and data asset developments. We hope you enjoyed the peek view of our thrilling recent development in the digital olfaction innovation. If you are interested, make sure to secure and reserve the first batch of upcoming SDK for scalable data model training and learning development opportunity to stay ahead of the competition. Please contact us at info@scentif.ai for more detail. Offer is limited and ends April 15, 2026. Thank you.